Have you ever felt frustrated because people did not include you, support you, or act the way you wanted? Best-selling author and motivational speaker Mel Robbins has a simple but life-changing rule for this. It's called the let them theory. And once you understand it, you will stop wasting your energy on things you cannot control and start living with more peace and freedom. The let them theory is simple. If people don't invite you, include you, or treat you the way you hoped, let them. Instead of trying to force situations or control others, you let people be who they are. Their choices reveal their priorities and that give you clarity. It's not about giving up, it's about letting go of what you can't control and focusing instead on what you can. When you stop chasing or forcing things, you give yourself freedom. If they wanted to call, they would. If they wanted to include you, they would. If they wanted to support you, they would. By letting them, you spot talking, their behavior, personalities, and you gain energy back for yourself, your goals, and the people who truly want to be in your life. Robbins breaks it down into a few key practices. Number 1, detachment. Catch yourself when you are getting worked up about someone's choices. Instead of pushing back or overthinking, pause and let them do what they do. Number 2, let people fail. We often step in to fix things, but when you let people face the consequences of their choices, you free yourself from carrying their responsibilities and you give them a chance to grow. Number 3, let people be themselves. Not everyone has the same habits, priorities, or communication style as you. By letting people who they are, you stop wasting energy trying to mold them. Number 4, know the limits. Now, this does not mean you let people disrespect you, cross your boundaries, or put you in danger. Robbins is clear, the let them theory applies when the stakes are low in serious situations like safety, negotiations, or repeated disrespect. You don't just let them. You set boundaries, speak up, and protect yourself. So, why this simple phrase let them hit so hard? Emotional peace. So you stop being drained by things outside your control. Clarity in relationships. When you stop managing others, you are clearly see who values you and who does not. Personal power. You shift from trying to change others to focusing on your own choices, boundaries, and growth. In short, it's not about giving up, it's about letting go. Here's a quick challenge. The next time you feel yourself getting frustrated with someone's behavior, stop, say quietly to yourself, let them. Notice how it feels. You may realize that their choices say more about them than about you. And then, instead of wasting energy, you can decide your next move from a calm, grounded place. So that's Mel Robbins' let them theory, simple words but a powerful mindset shift. Remember, you can't control other people, but you can control how you respond. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more practical tools. Thanks for watching, and hey, if people don't support you, growth, let them.